Let's take new exercise in SolidWorks corrugated hand wheel. This is a kind of metal wheel, a car wheel, and you will see all dimensions are in millimeter. This is casted and material cast alloy steel. Okay, let's start. First, we will create outer body, then center one. Now you will see outer body from outside. It is circular, but from inside it is zigzag curvy. See this structure going to create with the help of spline. These radius given 22, but we are going to use spline to find out this. Let's find out how we can do this. This outer diameter 330. Then you will see there is a detail. Okay. Section AA. See, section from here to here. This is the section AA. You will see the section. This section have from inside to inside 254, and you will see crest and depth. This depth diameter here 264. Okay, so this is the diameter for this curve. Then shape you will see 12.5, 45, 1.5. You will see here radius we will apply at the end. And how we will fix this one? We have to fix this structure in between this outer line and this inner line and outer line. How we can angle 8.2, the angle between these two 16.6. Okay, there are 4 number of crests, so let's see how we can do this. Angle 60 degree. Top plane sketch, activate circle, and let me draw 2 circles. Make sure for construction. Now activate smart dimension. 264 millimeter outside, 254 millimeter inside. Activate line and start from outer circle to here and come back. Again activate the same line, center line. Let me draw. Okay, smart dimension 60. Now angle between these two 8.3 degree. Okay, now let's try to use circular sketch pattern. Now center this one, and here choose dimension angular spacing. 4 number of we need, and here let me select these 2 lines, and here apply the angle 8.3, total 16.6. You will see 4 number of instances. You will see. Okay, now similarly we have to mirror. This all we need to mirror, because we need these points. Mirror about this vertical line. Okay, now let me select here spline. See, now spline going to start from this end. Connect. Now one by one connect this all point alternatively. It will take, we will create only one side, later we will make pattern. Right click, select. Now here 3-point arc, connect. Okay, now select this. Now select this angle and this one tangent. This is important. Here let's do this 3-point arc, connect this small portion to here. Now see, this is fully defined. Select this spline, drag this handle, select this handle, hold shift key, select this arc, tangent relation. Okay. Now we don't need to define this angle. This if you measure, the radius going to be near 22. Okay. Circular pattern. Here I am going to select this center. 363 number of this. Equal spacing 360 degree. Now here let me select this pattern. And even though let me select this one also, so that we will get okay. Now we are not going to use this one. This is perfect. Let me exit and create one more sketch. So again I am going to choose top plane, sketch. Now here select chain. Okay. Convert entity. Again select this one and let me select convert entity. Hide. Okay. Here connected only, here balance. So first sketch, show, select this, convert entity. Okay. Exit. Now this is structure I am going to use. Again go to top plane, sketch, circle, draw a circle and make diameter 320 millimeter. Okay. Exit. Now we need to create those planes. So let me select, choose right plane, because right plane here going to mesh, coincide properly. So sketch, ellipse. Let me choose slot, straight slot. Okay. Press escape key to out. Now here choose offset. Oh, before going to choose smart dimension, radius 12.5. Okay. Now again offset 1.5, reverse. Okay. Now delete this one. Line. Now from here to here, similarly connect here also, from this point to here, smart dimension, (45°). Trim entity, trim this one, trim this. Okay, we need this shape. Now here activate point and place this end, and one at this midpoint. This is important because we need to escape. Better to apply this 11, because these lines, points, deleted this one. Okay, again these. Okay, let's create few important relation. Undo, that's fine. Now select this point, this point, this point, vertical. This is important. Now here, this point, top point, hold shift key, this point, this point. This is important. Vertical relation. Okay. Now let's try to move. Okay. For a time being, I am going to apply something like any dimension 20. For movement, we have to delete this one. Okay, now this is perfectly moving. Now select this point, hold shift key, this outer curve, make pierce. But delete this. Now select this point, select this curve, pierce. See, this is important relation. You must achieve this one. Finish. Go to feature and use swift boss base. Now here, see profile selected, sketch profile. Now path I am going to select outside. Now if you see from top, this is circular. Look, but go to guided curve and choose this curve. Or drop down. See, it took the shape. Fine. Merge smooth faces. Okay. Now let's hide first sketch. Now you will see. See, we achieved. Section view, normal. Okay. Now see, this is what we need to achieve. I am going to keep quality higher. Okay, the edges become sharp. Okay, now let's make the center part. Center part you will see in section view. See, this is a kind of shape. 32 total. 56 from bottom. Now there is one curve 11 millimeter and inside diameter 28. Then there is one more diameter 55 and this circle outside to outside 73 millimeter. Okay. 11, 30. Okay, that's finish. Right plane sketch. Now let me select center line. Go back to the point and see the point is converted into arc. Press escape key to out. Smart dimension. Outside diameter 28, 55. Hold shift key and select this one. Outside to outside 73. Okay. 32. From here to here 11. Okay, what else balance? Distance from here to bottom of this face 56. See, it seems fully defined sketch. Go to feature. I want to add a circular body in terms of circular way. So you have to apply revolve boss base. Now see, by default system took this line as its axis of revolution. Merge it result, angle apply 360 degree. Okay. And here we have a complete 360 body. Now let me select sketch, show, and select this sketch, show. Now let's make this handle. You will see this handle. This handle going to connect from this circle to this circle, and there is a section C or B. There is a different section C or B. B 3216, this curve 32 6, 24 12, 24 4.9. We have to create first plane, then we have to apply this. Let's see how we can do this. Right plane, sketch, activate center line, and see, select the center point to center point of this. See, this is fully defined sketch. Exit. Now let me hide this previous sketch. Plane. Select line, select this point. Now this plane perpendicular to this line. Say OK. Again I am going to choose plane. Now first reference this line, then second reference I am going to select this another end point. See, this plane perpendicular to this line. Say OK. At both the plane we have to create those cross sections. First plane 1, sketch. OK. Center rectangle. Make this one for construction. OK. Now I am going to use 3-point arc. Actually, before first we have to apply the dimension to outside. Okay, anyway, let's see. 32 16. Okay. Now select this point, tangent, tangent. Make all points tangent. Okay, one more relation. Select these two, equal. Now these two equal. Radius 6. Okay. Now we have to fix. How we can fix this one? Select this one and this one, tangent. Similarly, all walls should be going to tangent with them. Okay. One more important relation, make it horizontal. Okay, we don't need this angle. Okay, fine, this is going to move. Select this point. Coincide. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Exit. Plane 2. Sketch. Same method I am going to repeat. For construction, smart dimension. (24:12). Again, create ellipse with the help of a point. Connect. Create this curve with the help of 3-point arc. Now select all the end points, tangent. If you click end point, you will see this pop up. So simply choose tangent. smart dimension 24 4.5. Okay, let's create these two equal. Equal. Okay, it's already equal. Now let me select this one. Make all the wall tangent relation. Okay. Now this one, just rotate. Select this point and select the end point, hold shift key and make coincident. Look, these points are fully defined. Exit. Now go to lufted boss base. Clear. First I am going to select this. So I am going to select any one point. Let's say this point. Profile 1, profile 2. You will see the preview. There is no need to make any guidance because this is straight. Merge tangent faces, show preview, merge result. Okay. Say okay. Now select both the planes. Hide. Select this line. Hide. Circular pattern. For direction, I am going to choose this circular face. Equal spacing 360 angle because we need 3 number of patterns. And here feature. So I am going to select this. You will see the preview. Geometry pattern. Say okay. Now radius R8, R6, R8. Fillet 8 millimeter symmetric and here choose fillet type constant size. Okay. Now here profile also you can change, keep circular. Now first 8 millimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Say okay. Profile again fillet. Now this time keep radius 6 millimeter constant type and select these edges, end edges. Okay. Now I am going to apply some plating. If you want to add material, edit material, it's going to be cast alloy steel 73 density, apply, close. But I don't want this preview, so simply use apply brushed brass. Now this look perfect. Don't forget to share, like our video and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.